Understanding, submit a report, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used phrase in professional and academic settings, submit a report. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. Let's get started. Submit a report means to formally give a written document to someone in authority, usually for a specific purpose. The word submit suggests delivering or presenting something, while report refers to a detailed account or statement about a particular matter. This phrase is often used in work, school, or official settings. Contexts for use. In the workplace, you might need to submit a report on a project's progress to your manager. In school, students often submit reports on their research or assignments. In official matters, submitting a report to a government agency for compliance or information purposes. How to use. 1. Structure your report. Ensure your report is well organized and clear. 2. Follow guidelines. Adhere to any specific instructions or formats required. 3. Submit timely. Ensure you submit the report by the deadline. 1. I need to submit a report on the conference by Monday. 2. Our team is working hard to submit the financial report before the quarterly meeting. 3. Students are required to submit their research reports by the end of the semester. I hope this video has made the phrase, submit a report, clear and easy to understand. Remember, it's all about presenting a detailed document to someone who needs that information. Keep practicing, and you'll master these phrases in no time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.